Hello good people, welcome to this channel. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe to this channel, like and leave a comment, and also please give us a thumbs up. So in a country where cyberbullying has become so rampant and it's mostly affecting celebrities, and Nadia Mukami, the Kenyan African pop star, Kenyan sweetheart aka Kanadia Katambe, is not an exception. Nadia Mukami went to her Instagram account and wrote, I quote, "I'm writing this with tears in my eyes and they are already swollen because of crying. I know they say I am a public figure. I need not to show emotions. I will show my emotions. There isn't an insult I haven't received. All levels of insults. This has been a month of heartache after another. I swear I have broken down. I am always the strongest among my friends. They say God doesn't give you something you can't handle. I wish he didn't trust me this much every time. I'm taking a break. I will be back." So in this long post, Nadia says that people have insulted her as a celebrity. People have said bad things about her. And for her, she says that enough is enough. She's taking a break. She will be back because she needs to go and sit down and think what is happening. So people, what is really happening? Why is cyberbullying becoming something that is so normal? It's affecting a lot of people. The other day, Mulamwa also called it quit because people were insulting him. People were saying bad things and brutal things about him. So people, that is all for today. Let us think about what we say to our celebrities. Is it affecting them positively or negatively? Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to subscribe, and also give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Till next time, goodbye.